Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I am making chicken 65. Crispy, spicy and full of bold flavors. A popular street style dish you can easily make at home. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup chicken pieces in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoon curd, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic. Now add 2 tablespoon flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 egg. Mix everything well to coat the chicken. Chicken 65 is a famous South Indian dish. It is known for its spicy and tangy flavor. Marinate properly for better flavor. Keep aside for 10 minutes to marinate. Now prepare the sauce. In a bowl add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 cup water and mix well. Heat oil and fry the chicken in medium heat until golden and crispy. Do not overcrowd while frying. Fry on medium heat for crispy texture. Keep aside. In a pan, 2 tablespoon oil, two cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, 2 green chilies. Now add the sauce mixture. Cook for 30 seconds. Now add the fried chicken pieces. Toss well to coat. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Serve hot. Toss quickly in sauce to keep crispiness. Chicken is rich in protein. Homemade food is more hygienic. You can control oil and spices. Use fresh ingredients for better nutrition. Your spicy chicken 65 is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innoven Foods for more easy recipes.